Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying batteries and device compatibility so you don't interrupt the pairing flow. Place the single good AirPod and the case on a clean surface. Plug the case into power because low charge stalls the process. On your iPhone, open Settings Bluetooth and keep the screen unlocked. Once done, open the case lid near the phone. This triggers the setup panel. Make sure you can see the device name. If not, reset Bluetooth briefly and try opening the lid again. Next, forget the old AirPod entry so the system won't try to reconnect to a missing unit because that blocks pairing. Put the new AirPod into the case, close then open the lid, and press the rear button for about 15 seconds. Watch for an amber then steady white light. This indicates factory reset mode. Now bring the case close to your iPhone. A setup card should appear. Tap Connect, wait for complete confirmation, and test audio to confirm left/right channels are correct. To finish, check that audio balances between both sides and that controls respond. Play music and use the accessibility mono toggle to isolate each bud for verification. If the replacement AirPod won't charge, remove debris from the case and AirPod stems. Use 70% isopropyl on a cloth and let dry, because poor contact commonly causes failures. If pairing still fails, reboot your device, perform another case reset, and repeat pairing. One tip: keep software updated. Outdated firmware often breaks compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.